Gates BBQ, Kansas City. I don't know what part of town this is. This time I looked it up. Couldn't quite see. Getting closer to downtown area. It's not downtown yet, but that place is cool inside. Just on the inside alone, I'd recommend you coming here. Great place to sit down and eat. And they are hopping in there. Busy now. Trying to open this is going to be a exploration in and of its own. Guess it's going a little easier than I expected. Got what do they call it? Combo double decker with beef and ham. Looks like we're going to run into our same issue of trying to eat this without creating a mess. Wife on the camera here is being a lifesaver with the that is delicious. I don't know what to say. That's so far the best one yet. The sauce is just perfect for me. It's just a little bit of kick to it. Maybe almost a little too vinegary, but oh man, the ham is perfect. The beef, great flavor. As I said, that place inside, really cool. It looks like the carry-out line in there looks like it was the inside of a train car or a subway. Real cool. Looks like a nice place to sit down and eat. Would definitely recommend you come here and try this out if you're in Kansas City. 9.2 on the sandwich. Delicious. For me, probably the best sauce I've had yet here. And that is the review, I think. I mean, only complaint is the bread. Super soft, it gets soggy, and I do not like how soggy it gets when you have bread that's not toasted and not a bun. But meat still outweighs that. 9.2. That's a review.